Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to create and publish a post in WordPress. Whether you are a blogger, a content creator, or a website owner, WordPress is a powerful platform that allows you to easily create and publish all sorts of content. In this video, I will show you how to create a new post in WordPress and content, format text, and publish your post for others to see. So let's get started. Here we have around 6 steps to create a new post. So we will start with our first step, which is log into your WordPress. So let's get started. First step is to log into your WordPress dashboard. As you can see, I already have the username and password. I save my username and password, so I will just simply click to login button. Now here I am on my dashboard. So the other step is to create a post, and for that we will go to post, and here we will add a new post. So here we will add data about our post, like titles and its description and categories, tags, and we will also attach an image with this post. So this is our official website. So I will take some data from my website. Here we are providing different kind of services like cloud. Here you can see our cloud services, and we have also Oracle services like these. So you can contact us through our email address. So now we are just creating a post. So here I have some data that I will get from my website. So this is I use for my post title. I just simply copy this, paste here. So this is my title, and now I just copy these lines for description. There you go. So this is my title and this is my description. But in your case, you will put your data related to your post. So now I will also add an image. So add a new image. We will go to featured image and we will select our image. So this is the image that I will use. Set featured image. So this image will set on the website front page. Now you can see here are some other categories like tags, featured image, experts. So you can also add as your requirement, as per your requirement. So if I just publish this post, and we will check what happened if we publish this post on our website. So it's time to publish our first post. So if I go to my website and I will refresh first, and now I will go to my blog section, and here you can see we have successfully created a post. So this is our first blog, and this is the way that you can use for create your post and also publish on your website. That's it. You now know how to create and publish a post in WordPress. With WordPress, you have the power to create all sorts of content and share it with the world. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, WordPress is a great platform to use for content creation. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like if you enjoy the video. So please like and share my video. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.